Hello guys, welcome to Learn with Today YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to solve egg problems. Generally, this type of problems in commonly asked in competitive exams. Now in this video, I am going to teach you two kinds of methods to solve the egg problems. Here the first method is also called sum of ages. Here the question is sum of ages of A and B is 40 and A person is 4 years elder than B person. That means here elder or older is same. Let's see the solution. If we assume that B person age is X, then A person age is X plus 4. Why? Because A number person is 4 years elder than B number person. After writing A percentage and B percentage, the equation is X plus 4 equal to 40. As per the given in the question, we form the equation. From this equation, we calculate the individual percentage like this. If we add X to XS and send plus 4 to other side of equal to, then it becomes minus 2x equal to 36. Then x equal to 18, that is x. Here the x age is b age, that is b age is 18 years. And now let us find a age. A age is x plus 4. If we add 18 plus 4, then it becomes 22 years. In this way you can solve the problem. Now let us see the second method. The second method is the ratio method. In the second method, the question will be like this. If ages of A and B are in the ratio of 3 to 5 and the difference of the ages is 8 years, here in the question they give the ratios of two persons, that is A and B, and they give the difference of their age as 8 years. Here there is step by step procedure. Here in the first step we have to find the difference in the ratio. Here what is the ratio here? 3 to 5. We have to find the difference between individual ratios, that is 5 minus 3 equal to 2. Here note that difference means minus. After getting the value in the first step, in the second step we have to divide the difference of ages to the difference of ratio. That means here the difference of the ages is 8 years. We have to divide the difference of ages with the difference of the ratio. Here I mentioned that 8 is the difference of the ages and 2 is the difference of the ratios. If we divide 8 by 2, then we got the answer 4. In the final step, we have to multiply each part of the ratio with the value 4. That is A equal to 3 into 4 equal to 12 years, and B equal to 5 into 4 equal to 20 years. In this way you can calculate the egg problems if they are given the ratio method. If you understand the video, then give a like, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel.